I'm now at Taguig City, the Philippines. Momentarily, local students, along with other students from ASEAN countries, are going to join a special conversation with Chinese taikonauts who are currently spending their time in the China space station. Excited and inspired, they're telling me they cannot wait to know what it's like to be in the space.
What the students were excited about was a live class delivered from China's space station, during which they talked with Chinese taikonauts aboard the Shenzhou 14 spaceship. The special session was considered a unique opportunity for young space enthusiasts to have first-hand knowledge of space science and outer space exploration.
I hope to learn in this event is how astronauts live in space, and I hope that China will get better in this field.
I'm expecting to learn a lot, not just about what we can discover outside the planet. Also, we want to learn about the different situations that the astronauts are experiencing outside.
The taikonauts answered questions and shared with the students their experience in the space station since early June when the Shenzhou 14 spaceship was successfully launched.
We congratulate the People's Republic of China for the significant strides it's making as a space leader and for creating opportunities of cooperation in the region. May this occasion then serve as inspiration to our students to pursue their dreams to explore the vastness of space.
At the event, Chinese ambassador to the Philippines Huang Shi Lian said outer space is the commonwealth of humanity and should be explored, developed, and utilized peacefully.
Outer space is the commonwealth of humanity, and it is the pursuit of mankind to explore, develop, and utilize it peacefully. China advocates for joint efforts with nations around the world to build a community with a shared future and for humanity, and to enhance international exchange and cooperation in outer space on the basis of equality, mutual benefit, peaceful use, and inclusive development.